Morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. Today we are doing Unit 3rd Digital Documentation of Part B, Part 7. In this video you will be able to learn session number 7, create and use table in MS Word. What do you mean by tables? Tables are nothing but a combination of rows and columns. Tables are used to organize the information in the form of rows and columns. Rows and columns intersect each other to form rectangular blocks called cells. Here you can see where row and column intersect then makes a box. We will not say it's a rectangle, it's not a square, it's not a box. We say it a cell. These are all the different cells, and these are the columns: name column, class column, marks column, and grade column. These are the columns, and these are the rows. Arjun 5th B 250 marks and B grade. These are the rows and these are the columns. Creating table. There are three methods so that we can create a table in MS Word. Our first method is click on Insert tab, go to Table option and move the pointer across the grid to select row and column. Let's see. This is a table and these are the grids. When you will select, the color will change. How many rows and columns you will select, only rows and columns will appear in your document. This is the first method. Our second method is click on Insert tab and click on Table, then Insert Table. In this, when the grid will open, there is option Insert Table. This Insert Table. When you click on Insert Table, a window will open. Here it will ask table size. How many bigger table size would you want? Number of columns. How many columns would you want? 4 column, 5 column, 6 column. You can write. Number of rows. How many rows do you want? There is no limit to write rows and columns. Then click on OK. Then row and column will appear. This was the second method. And the third method is we can draw the table manually also. In the go to insert menu, then the table, we had done this, we had done insert table. Third method is draw table. When you will click on it, a pen will appear and you can with the help of the pen you can draw the table in your blank document manually. Entering data in a table. To enter data in a table, click in the cell where data is to be entered and type the cell contents. Very easy. Just click on the mouse, cursor will come and you can write any word and number also. In the same way, you can type. You can move from one cell to another cell with the help of tab. Inserting rows and columns. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are there and there are 3 rows. If you want to insert many rows or if you want to insert any row, we can also insert it. When you will click on insert, a table layout will open like this. There will be a button insert left, insert right. Means if you want to insert a column to the left or column to the right, we can also insert it. There is another method. If you want to insert, then right click on the column. A dialog box will open. Just there will be option insert row, insert column. If you want to insert a column, then click on column. Then it will ask column to the right, column to the left. Then select it. A new column will be inserted. Insert a new row. In the same way, there is a when you will select the click on row, then there will be in a table toolbar, there will be a insert above or insert below. Means if you want to insert the row from the above or from the below. In the same way, the second method, right click on it, then there will be option insert row and column, and so that you can also insert. Deleting rows and columns. Sometimes by default you want to delete a row and column. It is also very easy. Select the table toolbar. There will be option delete. First, select the row and column what you want to delete. But at the same time, either row will be selected or either column will be selected. Both will not be selected at the same time. If you have want to delete this row, Sangeeta, English marks 89, Maths mark 90, then we have select the complete row. In the table toolbar, go to delete, delete cell, delete column, delete row, delete table. There are four options. We want to delete the row, just delete the row and row will be deleted. Another option is select it, row, then right click, there will be a delete. What you want to delete, row and column, click on delete, the row will be deleted. Thank you.